Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Vencord on your PC. If you're looking to customize your Discord with themes, plugins, or other cool features, Vencord is exactly what you need. So let's dive right in, no time to waste. First, open your browser and type Vencord into the search bar. Look for the official website, Vencord Dev. Once you're there, click on the Download Vencord button. Choose the version that matches your system. Most of you will want the Vencord Installer for Windows. The installer is straightforward. Just click Install and wait a few moments. Once you see the Installation Successful message, click OK to complete the process. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you get Vencord up and running on your PC. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.